Hi, welcome to I Want to Ban 9 IELTS Speaking. Today's topic is on sports and leisure. I'll give you example questions for part 1, part 2 and 3. Alright, let's get started. So here's our example questions for sport and leisure for part 1. Okay, and we have our first question here. What sports are popular in China? How often do you play sports? Are you good at sports? And do men and women like the same types of sports? If we look at the first two questions, what sports are popular in China and how often do you play sports, they're purely information questions. The third question, are you good at sports, is give your opinion, what you think, if you think you're good or if not. And the last question here, do men and women like the same types of sports, is our comparison question. Alright, let's put this together and think of great ways to answer these questions. So what sports are popular in China? If we go to our grammar and answer tips here, you should say 3 popular sports in this country. Then you should further explain, are they competitive team sports or individual competitive sports? Okay, let's go to our keywords here so you can understand this. Now I'm saying here that the popular sports in my country are table tennis, badminton and basketball. So table tennis 有乒乓球, basketball 篮球 and badminton 羽毛球. Alright, I'm saying now, are they competitive or individual competitive sports? And I'm saying here, well, table tennis is an individual competitive sport. 个人竞技运动. Okay, or 竞技运动 for just a competitive sport. Then you should further say, and if you look at our answer tips here, as well, what age groups will like to play these sports, okay? And then to say, well, badminton is played by, people of all age groups, because it's true. Basketball is enjoyed by the younger generation, and so forth. All right, let's put that all together. Table tennis is the national sport here in China. Chinese players are ranked best in the world. As such, it's the most popular individual competitive sport played here. Also, basketball and badminton are well liked with people of all ages. So here's our second example with an alternative answer here on this question for what sports are popular in China. And once again, if we go to our grammar and answer tips, say 2 popular sports here. Okay, and I'm starting the sentence with something called like by far. Now, by far just means the most, okay, like the most favorite, the best, or the most popular. We use this word by far. And then say another sport here that people like to play and watch, and mention maybe the age group as well. You can see here I'm using this word avidly. Avidly. Now, if I go to our keywords here, and you look, say avidly, it's like 追课. Okay, it's like, really, really liked. Okay, and it's really, really liked. It's avidly watched and played. I'm saying here by people of all ages. Then I'm going to mention like extreme sports, and we know extreme 就是极限的运动, and some extreme sports that are popular like 滑板 and 跑酷.